Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and we shall be taking the first look at a adapter for the MacBook Pro 16 inches. So in my previous video I have done the unboxing of the latest MacBook Pro 16 inches. If you guys have not seen that video, please go ahead and see the video, and I'll be leaving the video link in the card section. It somewhat looks like this, guys, EKSA, and there is a protective cover that has been present on the both of the USB-C ports that is present over here, and that's it. There is nothing else on other surface. Here we find the HDMI port where you can connect external monitors or external televisions or something like that. This is the fast USB Type-C connectors that is present over here, which is called the Thunderbolt connector. Two normal size USB ports and one is there for the micro SD card that is present over the bottom, and this is the SDHC regular size memory cards port is present over here. So this is a complete solution, guys. So as you can see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is a 7-in-1 hub solution that is present for MacBook Pros. So let's just head over to our laptop and then connect this to the laptop and see how it works. This is my MacBook Pro 16 inches laptop. So now let's connect this hub to the laptop, guys. The connection is actually very simple, guys. Just plug in just like this. Any of your peripherals that is present can be connected easily, guys. So as you can see, it looks very clean. There is no wires at all. So I don't like wired USB hubs, which again causes another wire. The main intention of Apple manufacturing laptops without more ports is because of the way the wires look very cluttered. Wires are actually a really cluttered thing, and to eliminate the clutter that is produced by the wires, MacBooks are manufactured with the less number of ports. I'm just plugging in a normal USB mouse that is powered by Lenovo, and I'm just plugging it in. As you guys can see, the mouse has been connected successfully to our laptop, and the mouse is working perfectly fine, guys. Opening and a click mechanism and everything else is working perfectly fine. And I generally prefer using mouse when I'm editing on my computer, and also I use external monitors for dual monitor setup and something like that. So the one thing that you guys have to really observe is this port has to be inserted completely into the MacBook Pro. If you have any spaces between the port and the adapter and the MacBook Pro, there will be problems with the connection, and once it has been successfully connected to the MacBook Pro, there is nothing else, guys. There is no problem of installation of drivers and other things as such. It will just directly work on the go. You don't have to do anything. See, this is my mouse, just connected it and it's working perfectly fine. Next, what we'll do is we'll try to connect an external monitor to the MacBook Pro, and we'll see whether this adapter that we have purchased is working fine. So this external monitor is completely working fine with the help of the USB hub that we have purchased, and we can use the Mac completely well with the external monitor. It is acting as a dual monitor setup, guys. You can configure the dual monitor setup as per your requirements. You can make an extended display, or you can make the second display only as usable. You can make the first display as usable or something like that. So this is just like how we connect external monitors to Windows, guys. And also we can connect pen drives, other electronic peripherals like memory card, the SD card, micro SD cards, and as such. And one important thing is this particular gadget, that is the USB hub, also supports the charging of this particular MacBook Pro up to the precise level that MacBook Pro actually supports via the normal USB port. So this is the normal USB port. As you guys can see, this is the normal USB port of the MacBook Pro. The amount of power delivery that it can support on this particular port is the same the amount of power delivery that will be supported through the USB hub. This was a very quick video about this USB hub manufactured by EKSA, and if you guys want to buy this product, the links will be in the description, guys. It's working working perfectly fine for me. It is affordable, it is really well built, and everything else is absolutely fine with this. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys.